have a red truck mini journal kit. It has fabric and all kinds of fun red truck stuff, all gathered and ready for you. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have a little, I put together a little red truck kit. It has items from all different kinds of places, including items from last year and from before, and several little items. So you could use this in your paper crafting. I've heard several people say that they were having a hard time finding the items, and so here we go. So you get a little red truck, so a little red truck ornament. You could put that on the side or on the cover. Let's see, you get some of this. Whoa, you get to drop a whole bunch of stuff here. Okay, so you get this with the little black dogs, and you get, everybody gets 2 trucks. So a little sticker, a Merry Christmas sticker. You get one of these, and it's really fun. It's one of these envelopes. There you go. So you get one of those with the little red truck on it. A dome with the red truck. You get 3 tags. I just like these. I thought they went well with the other items I'd chosen. You also get the joy and the tree, and the 'tis the season to be jolly, or to be merry. 'Tis the season to be merry, and a joy, and those match the little dome. You get this tag here, a things to do list, a couple of these note papers. You get this little tag, and they do open, and they do already have their little ribbons on them. You also get the trailer, and look at, it's pulling, it's got a tree on it. A trailer with a tree on top. How cute is that? You get this piece of, you get 4 trucks, and you get, I think this is 18 inches. So you get 18 inches of the red truck ribbon and this little piece of red truck ribbon. So you could use this for your tassel or whatever, and you could use this for paper clips. You do get a piece of the fabric. I had just enough of the fabric, so it will fit like a soft cover journal. They're all different, or you could cut out the pieces, however you want to use it. So they're all the same type of material, but the cut is different. You get a piece of the tissue, a full piece of the tissue. You get some red tickets, a whole bunch of them. I think there's 10 sets of red tickets. You get a Dear Santa, I've been really good, I swear, and a holiday to-do list. And this note paper. You get one of the small napkins, a giant red envelope. You get this large piece of the wrapping paper. It's got the trucks going in both directions, and it's got the words Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas. You get the red truck card, and it has a wreath on the back. And you get the Happy Holidays trailer, and it has a stocking on the back. And you get the large napkin that says Home for the Holidays. So the large napkin has the little trailer on the other 3 sides, and the small napkin has the tree with the sled. And you can watch my Red Truck or Journal playlist, or my November challenge videos. I've been doing a lot of Red Truck stuff. You also get this cute little cut your own Christmas tree find tree farm pine, fir, spruce, cedar, and it is on both sides. So I'm going to be playing with this to see what I can do with it. And then you also get a piece of cardstock. So that is our little kit, and I think it's a lot of fun. And for those of you that just aren't able to find the red truck stuff, this is what I got and what I can do. So I hope it's helpful. There we go. I did go do some shopping and pick up some more of the, I had to go find the tissue paper. I think these are really cute. So there's a whole lot of things you can do with that, but there is your Red Truck mini junk journal kit with lots of things that you can do. And just trying to get it put back together for you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, so it is available now in the Dear Julie Etsy shop, and packed and ready to ship. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Etsy shop and the Red Truck playlist down below. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye.